awesome.
You can still climb up here. I'm not too old. Yes, you are.
Oh.
I'm just smarter than you guys. No.
because I'm walking faster.
No.
Because you call me slowpoke.
I'm not calling you slowpoke.
Yes, you did. Don't push my hat down, Henry.
That's what you get for telling me that I'm calling you a slowpoke.
That's what you did.
Then I'm just gonna do it.
No.
That's what then. So
If you do that, then we might fall.
but you will be fine.
I'll be fine, but you won't.
Actually, you will not be fine. You will not be fine, but I'll be fine.
Oh, yeah? How so?
Oh, maybe, you will be fine, but not me.
Yeah,
What about that?
yeah.
But I'm gonna be fine.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. I hope so.
Oh, maybe.
Says the one who is on my shoulder.
What the heck?
You're the one on my shoulders.
No, you.
I'm the one carrying you.
Yeah, but you're the one that is going to slowpoke this.
See, you already called me a slowpoke again.
Because I mean you slow.
Huh. Oh yeah, carry 45 pounds plus an extra 11 to 12 pounds
But you still a slow.
and going uphill.
Yeah, you will still be slow.
So a bit slow. Oh, dango.
Or maybe it's a one, but you still be slow.
Right. And I've been doing this for almost 3 miles
Or a million.
and going uphill.
Or a million days.
Yeah. Huh.
But when are we gonna stop?
Huh. He says the one on my shoulder
What the
when I'm the one carrying, and you're complaining about being tired.
Yeah, but you are complaining about being ugly.
Ugly.
Yeah.
I'm complaining about being ugly.
Yes.
Oh, dango. So you're calling me slowpoke and ugly.
Ugly.
Dango.
Ugly means asador. Asador.
Absolute.
Yeah, absolutely.
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 Oh, so I'm an absolute ugly.
Yeah, but what if I hit you with a stick and you are fine?
Then if you hit me with a stick, I may turn cute or handsome. Dango.
No, you won't.
That's what you just said.
Or how about if you got hit by a rock in the face, your eyeball will poke off, and then you had an actual eyeball.
Then I'll be a cyclops.
What the heck?
Yeah.
What is a cyclops?
Cyclops is someone who has a huge eye or one eye in the middle of the face or
And then,
forehead.
But what if it
Alright,
was called
whatever.
a cyclops? A cyclops is somebody who brings their tablets on a hiking trip.
So I can carry more weight.
Bring their tablets, of course.
Don't push the hat down.
No, pandas doing it.
Don't do it.
Pandas doing it.
You're blocking my view, Henry. I can't see, so I need to see.
I know you can see.
No, I'm gonna take my hat off.
No! No!
Well,
No, put it back on.
why?
I stopped doing it.
Well, so stop pushing the hat down. I can't see.
No, I know pandas doing it.
Panda?
Yeah. Panda. Panda. But I want to go with them.
Well, you wanna go walking then?
No, but I
Stop complaining then.
But I want to go faster.
What, do you think I'm a horse?
Yes. Oh, how about you be a horse and walk my way?
Okay, I'm gonna put my hat on, so don't push it down again. If not, I'm gonna take it off.
I can't do it.
Okay.
Stay much longer.
Oh,
And I want to put somewhere like on your hat.
hold on to my sweaty head.
No. I will hold on your head. Now are we in the river?
No, are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
Oh, when are we gonna be there?
It's in 1,000 days.
In 1,000 days?
Yes.
What? How about now? Are we there yet?
No.
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 Ooh, we are going down the hill fast. Fast and furious. Yeah. Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
Are we there yet?
No.
What about now?
No.
No?
No.
No?
Yes.
No?
No.
Yes?
No. 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 No.
Yes, 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 yes.
No.
No, you say yes.
No.
You say yes.
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
No. No. No.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
No.
Yes, you did.
Mommy!